What's going on, everybody? So I have the MAP 5862 big turbo kit in this bad boy, and what I want to show you guys is how to make the hole for the catch can. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, so here's what you need to do this job. All you need is a step drill bit, the tap or bung, whatever you want to call it, and the silicone hose, of course. Now what I did, because this is a thicker silicone hose, I believe it's a 5-ply, I might be wrong, but I used this little bit to drill a hole first, and then I went and followed through with the step drill bit. Now you have to be very careful not to go too far, okay? Because if you make it too big, then you're gonna have, you know, a boost leak. And that's possibly why I had to replace mine. But this flat part goes on the inside and this goes on the outside. And if you notice, you're gonna have to get this through the silicone hose, and then you also have to get this threaded side through the silicone hose as well. So I made the hole using the small drill bit, and then I went and followed through with the tap drill. And this is just perfect. Now, it looks like it's not big enough, but in reality it is. So you have to push really hard to get that tap all the way through, especially once you get to the threaded part. If you're not pushing it strong enough, basically you're going to want to use the step drill bit to make a bigger hole, but it's very easy to make it too big. So don't make it too big, okay? You want the silicone hose hugging the hell out of that tap. So I'm going to try and put it through, and then I don't think I can put it through with just one hand, but let's see. Yeah, I can't even. All right, I'm in Arizona, and everything here is extremely dusty. Everything. Don't forget to go back and spray this with some water or soap and water, and really clean it off. Clean all the dust from the inside as well, because you don't want any of that stuff in your engine. All right, guys, so I couldn't do this one-handed. I'm sorry. But it's pretty self-explanatory, so I don't think it's a big deal that you guys didn't see me push the tap through the silicone hose. But if you look closely, I have the locking pin on top. Again, the locking pin is so that the nut doesn't come loose one day out of vibrations and cause catastrophic issues and what have you. If you look closely, you can see the big ass washer that's there, and on the inside, it's hard to see that, but that thing is hugging the heck out of this silicone hose. Up here goes the hose from the catch can. And that's all I have. It's pretty self-explanatory. I just wanted to show you guys how I made the hole, in case there's anybody out there that wasn't feeling confident in doing this themselves. Now, you can probably buy one of these silicone hoses. This is the 45-degree one. The one that came with the kit was black, and somewhere along the way I got a boost leak while tuning with Ryan from Purple Drank. It was a new file, probably like maybe 6 revisions in or something like that, maybe 5. And I guess it's too much boost. So I've tried to go back and replace most of the hoses, the charge pipes, the intake, and the turbo and all that. So I wanted to share with you guys how you guys can do this yourselves. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.